This is my STI that makes over 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. Now the problem is I've never personally felt it make that much power, but today's the day I'm finally putting ethanol in the car and I'm gonna see how it feels. Now a lot of people saw the video where I went out and drove the car and it was on intelligent mode, on pump gas, on 13 pounds of boost, and they don't believe me when I say this car truly made 1,017 wheel horsepower on 50 pounds of boost. 50, let that sink in, 50 pounds of boost through a 76 millimeter turbo. That's mind blowing, that's absolutely insane. So today, we're gonna head to the ethanol station, we're gonna slap in some E85, and I am stoked. Now here's the cool thing about this STI. With the simple twist of a button, you can change all the maps on the car. Through the SI drive button right here, we have a low boost, medium boost, and a high boost. Which means the car has maps anywhere from 300 wheel horsepower all the way up to 1,000. We're gonna start off on the lowest boost setting possible. If we push in on the knob, it goes to intelligent mode, which is only 13 pounds of boost, which feels slower than a factory STI. Let me show you. You can tell that setting there, that map there, that's definitely like sub 400 wheel. Again, only 13 pounds of boost. It's pretty boring. I guess it's good if you like slow cars, but let's go to the next mode. You can do this on the fly, pop her like that. We're now in sport mode. Setting number 2 is another 10 pounds of boost, making it 24 pounds, putting us right around 500 wheel. High boost setting on pump gas. Pop her one more time. Now considered the sport sharp mode is what Subaru would call it. Now this setting is 30 pounds, right at 650 wheel, which I think is a great number for cruising around. First rip on ethanol is going to be the lowest boost setting. Let's see how it feels. What? This is low boost on ethanol. Low boost map is 30 pounds on E. This thing is insane. All right, let's go to the next map. I had to pull over for a sec. We have another 10 pounds of boost to go. That middle map, she is getting a little squirrely, so one more map. This is gonna be a 50-pound pull. I can't wait for all the I'm surprised it didn't blow up comments. This thing's got a full IAG motor in her. She's good to go. She is good to go. Oh my goodness. That is the Fastest car I've ever felt in my life. Hello? Dude, I just did my first pull of the STI on 1000 map.
Yeah.
It is insane. I feel like no matter how many times you feel like 800 plus wheel, every single time, it's a party, it's a ride, it's a joy. This thing is absolutely insane, man. How did your STI make? 1,000, 1,100?
1123. Yeah, this is slow, you know?
I know.
But I never drove, I on the straight I only drove it at like 800. It was 35 pounds or something. That's pretty fast. Passenger always feel a little bit more sketch.
Yeah. You think that guy liked it or hated it?
I think he was a little upset.
I think so. Yeah, she's pretty intense.
That's pretty wild. What was that pound-wise?
That was probably like 43, 44.
That feels pretty damn good.
There's a 55 pound map, but it's like, why?
There's no point. That's plenty for the street.
That's insane.
It's not that lazy, I feel like.
It's pretty fun. Wanna buy it?
28 grand, I'll buy it. I spent 28 grand on entries.
If it's a guaranteed win?
No. I'll play my odds. What turbo is this?
7685.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like on intelligent mode on pump gas, it makes like 300 wheel.
That's perfect.
So even like intelligent mode on ethanol, I think it's 30 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's probably, I don't know, 750, 800.
Yeah. Just right there.
Yeah. So yeah, it's fast. It's so fun.
Makes me miss mine. Oh, old man's, he's checking out the whip.
Nice intercooler, bro. Lost something.
I see it.
What was it?
It's something metal. Oh, I think it was an exhaust tip. I think it had to have been something like that.
She got rowdy there. What? That's a lot of sauce to just lose a random part. Let's go take a gander.
The exhaust tip.
Come on, Remy, diagnose. Let's pop the hood. You did?
But I don't know what it would have. I think he maybe just ran it over.
What the heck is that? I know what that is. That's so funny. I know what it is. I don't need it. It's like the back mounting plate for when the cage was in here. That's what it looks like. Because it's got the same 3 holes that the cage had.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I don't need that. Sick. Piece of metal. Just drove 30 miles to go ahead and get our next victim for the STI.
Right. No.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Go what? You're gonna kill me?
Yep.
Is it on full power?
Maybe. Jared's kind of a pansy when it comes to fast cars, so I'm gonna leave this thing on 30 pounds for him. I don't want to make him poop his pants. Are you scared? You scared of sauce?
This will be the fastest car I've ever been in.
Yeah, I'll leave her turned down for you. I'll leave her on 30 pounds. Just know we got another 20 pounds to go if you...
What does it make on 30 pounds, roughly? Like 8?
Yeah, it'd be right around 800.
I was in Bobby's car making.
Yeah.
So it's like that. Sick mic.
Yeah. Dude, this car runs so good for how built it is.
The drivability feels good.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
It starts and drives like a stock car.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's struggling at all. It needs carpet everything.
Yeah.
Dude, it's been so long since I've been in a fast car.
For real? What was the
When was the last time I got in when was the last time I rode in a car with you where you were ripping?
The last car that you were probably in was the M1, turned down to like 500 wheel.
Yeah, I was thinking like 500.
Yeah. Which that was still pretty quick.
Well, yeah, that thing weighs like 5 pounds.
Yeah. The 8 is going to be the next car that's like insane. Because that'll probably it'll be low 800s. You remember the Hyper Blue that made 700?
That was the first fast car
Yeah.
that I'd ever been in. Wasn't that the first car you built that made anything over like 5? Yeah, that was insane. Why am I nervous? Is it actually turned down to 30 or is it on?
It's on, yeah, it's
50?
No, it's an intelligent motor right now, so it'll be 30 pounds.
Yeah, that's pretty quick.
Yeah.
She moves, dude. Yeah, that's fast.
You want to feel more?
Yeah. That wasn't scary fast, but it's fast. Yeah, that's fast. Do the maps change just on
Yeah.
that? No, that's sick.
So that's 30 pounds.
You put it on 50?
That's 40.
Or what's the max boost?
55. Which I'm like,
Yeah, that's the 1070.
I'm not going to that level. No, it made 1017 on 50 pounds. I don't even care to touch 55. It's too much. Sure, it'd be fun, but like,
It hooks really good. I thought you were gonna spin.
yeah, she does look pretty nice. Okay.
Yeah, that's fast. That's fast.
That's insane, dude. It actually is insane.
Oh, wow.
I felt that like 5 times now. Every time I'm just like,
That's like it's the same every time power.
that's
Like you don't get used to it.
wait, it's so far past what you need on the street.
Yeah,
It's so fast, dude.
that's quick. Dang. That's so fast, dude. That's way. You don't need that much. Oh man, that's fun.
It's pretty intense.
Yeah. This is the fastest STI. I mean, this is the fastest car I've been in. Period.
Yeah.
The second fastest would have been Bobby's car, the Series Gray, when it was fully built. Yeah.
You want to drive? What?
Bro. Do I want to drive?
Yep.
Whew. Yeah, that's quick.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine like VA. Josh's.
Yeah. Or imagine like one of those Lambos making 3,000, or
Dude.
where the 60 to 130 is like 2 seconds.
And the shifts are just.
Yeah.
But it's different.
That DCT